An overview of our scheduling module. To begin with, let's explain what it is not. It is not a high-end scheduling program. It can be the front end to one, like milestones scheduling. In other words, the data can be exported so that you can do a lot of nice critical path or other kinds of charts and reports. We're looking at the report that is printed out within estimating. If you just need a simple line item where it shows start dates, finish dates, whether it's critical, how long each task is going to last, and who's responsible for the scheduled activity, or what the description of the activity is, this is a great report. And it is a very efficient way to deal with scheduling if this is the only kind of report that you need. Again, you can export the data, and we'll talk about that just a little bit later. We're going to close the report and just go over some basics on the scheduling and how it works. The budget table is used to control the scheduling. We're on one item here. We're going to go to the form, and you can see where it's linked. We use the budget here as a linking mechanism for scheduling. This will make more sense in a moment. Going to the budget table by clicking on it. In the budget list, you have some additional columns when you have this feature. We're going to split the screen just a little bit here so we can scroll to the right. And you'll see that we have columns that relate to scheduling. The finish date, the column may not be in order, schedule code, description of the scheduled item, start dates, whether they're critical, whether they're always on the schedule, duration, and so forth. When you right mouse click on any of these, you can go to explanation and click on explanation, and the help system will explain the process, what each field is for, and how to use the scheduling module. The last thing we're going to do is talk about setting up the start dates and holidays and so forth. I'm going to close out of here and go to bid menu and schedule. This screen is where you put your holidays in this area here and your normal work days, whatever they are. And basically you put a start date in here and it will automatically calculate the finish date. You can also update schedules from here once it's set up. Just take a note of the start date here of 9/16/1996, because that will change in a moment. Back on the scheduling, we're going to change the date to July 15th, 2003, and then click the reschedule button. Then go back and look at that report again. And you can see that the date has been updated on it based on the start date, and all the dates have been moved up accordingly based on the duration of each phase. If you do need more than that report that we were just on, you would go to File and Export, that is Transfer, and then select Export to Scheduling. Basically, there's a help button to show you how to work this part. You can click the down arrow and see the types of data that is sent out. We've already got it pre-set up for milestone products. Also comma delimited and tab delimited file structure for importing into other scheduling programs. If you only need simple scheduling, and a lot of jobs that you do have very similar schedules, this will work really good.